Hello icons, welcome and welcome back in today's video. In today's video is all about papaya leaves, where you can buy papaya leaves in the market, how you can get your papaya leaf in a dry form, how to make powdered papaya leaf, and also how you can use this dried papaya leaf for massive hair growth. And also you will be learning how to make papaya leaves oil. So if these are things you really want to know in today's video, please do well to keep watching. So let us start with where you can actually get these papaya leaves in the market. The best place to find papaya leaves in the market is check those that sells dry herbs such as ginger, powdered ginger, cloves, moringa powdered, guava leaves powder, and some of the herbs that are beneficial to humankind. That's where you will get papaya leaves, and the one that you will even get in the market is hardly you get the fresh papaya leaves in the market. So if you are going in the market to go and get your papaya leaves, be checking for the dry one, whether it's dried or in a powdered form. Those are the two common papaya leaves that you'll be getting in the market. If you don't have papaya leaves around you to cut the fresh one and you want these papaya leaves, you can actually check your neighbors who has, then you plug it and come and prepare your own dried papaya leaves. Let me show you how you can actually prepare these papaya leaves for massive hair growth.
Cumin. Nutmeg.
Papaya leaves is not just used for hair growth, it is used to cure sickness, illness, and some painful menstruations and other things. Now let us prepare the papaya powder. So you go to the tree, plug the fresh papaya leaves, and mind you, when you are plugging the fresh papaya leaves from the tree, remember not to pick the ones that have already fallen on its own on the floor, because the ones that are falling, there is no nutrients inside. The benefits you should be getting, you will not fully get the nutrients. So make sure you plug the green papaya leaves from the tree. Get why? So no pick the one with the floor. I hope that makes sense. Wash your papaya leaf properly after plugging from the tree and dry it. If you have a dryer in your room, you can go ahead to dry it up using your machine. But if you do not have a machine, you can actually, the sun can dry it. Once it is dry, you get your blender, add it into it, so you can be able to blend it. When you blend, you can transfer it in your container, an open container at first, to allow the heat from the blender to cool it down. If you store it when it is hot, it will start clogging and attaching to one another, which will not give you a perfect paste. But once it is out of the blender, dry it in your room at room temperature about 30 to an hour. Then afterwards, get your container and pour it inside. It will not spoil as far as water do not touch it. On to the next part of this papaya video. Stay tuned. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave your comment, your thoughts in the comment section so we can chat. Please, where are you watching? Let me know in the comment section so we can friends, and I will know how long and how far video from my channel do go. Comment your state or your country in the comment section so I can send love to your country. Moving on to the next step, which is using dry papaya leaves to make this hairspray. Get your dry papaya leaves, wash it thoroughly to remove any dirt from the papaya. You can add salt in your washing, then wash it properly about 2 times, then put in your pot where you are going to boil these papaya leaves. Add water as you desire. Boil on the low heat, and when it is cool, sieve the water and rinse your hair with. That is another perfect way to make your papaya leaves if you do not get the fresh one. You can find this dried one in the market, then you come where I've already mentioned earlier home to prepare this amazing and wonderful hair spray. Our dry leaf hairspray from papaya is ready, and you can see the color is way different from the fresh color. I hope that makes sense. Now we'll be moving into the next part of this video, which is how to make papaya leaf oil for fast hair growth. While we are making this papaya oil, we'll be diving and be looking at very important issues about this papaya leaf. The truth about papaya leaf spray, my own personal experience, I'll be sharing it with you. The papaya hairspray, when is the right time to make these papaya leaves and how to use it to avoid spoilage. I hope that makes sense. I will explore whether this DIY solution maintain their potency over time, and how to store this papaya leaf for its effectiveness and longevity. If you are still here, kudos to you, and do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, and like this video. This video, I believe it might help one person that you will push this video to by liking it, because if you like the video, it will be seen by more people. The truth about papaya hairspray. Papaya hairspray can condition the hair, strengthen and moisturize hair due to the vitamins and antioxidants and some enzymes like papain, which also help exfoliate the scalp and control excessive oil production. They are particularly useful for balancing oily scalp and removing excessive oil and buildup, promoting shine and reducing dandruff. If you are struggling from dandruff and itchy scalp, papaya spray or the oil will be helpful if you are using it on a regular basis. How long to leave papaya on your hair? You can leave papaya on your hair within 5 to 10 minutes and wash it out, or you can use it as a hair rinse on a wet or dry hair. Do well to apply on the entire length of your hair. Your hair is deeply hydrated and soft for long period of time if you do so. There is a unique benefit on this papaya leaf. The best thing about this papaya leaf is not just used to promote or grow hair. It is used to inhibit cancer cells and reduce the stress level in women. It is amazing for women's health because it can stimulate the uterus and help regulate menstrual cycle and reduce menstrual cramps, also promoting regular period. Papaya DIY hairspray expiry date. When you do this DIY papaya spray, when will you use it and when will you not use it? If you store it in the fridge, you can use it for some days, within 2 to 3 days. But to say the fact, for me, I don't have fridge, so as soon as I make it, I use it that very day. For the papaya spray to maintain its own potency for long, you can just refrigerate it, like make it to freeze. Freeze some portion of the solution in a ice cube tray until the day you want to remove it and use it. And as soon as you remove it and it defroze, finish it that day. I'm currently at 4,999 subscribers. So thank you so much for watching, and if you made it to the end of this video, bravo. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you up in the next video. Some kisses coming your way. Take it. Bye.